Hello everyone, Trader Vader welcomes you all to this new video. 15 minutes chart of Nifty put options 17,800. The market is rising, it's pretty bullish, and we're seeing that the put option price is coming back to its earlier lowest low, I would say, which is this zone. This is the zone between 70 to 79, 80 rupees. This is the zone. This was the early lowest, previous lowest, I would say. Before that, it has never fallen below that. So either the market is going to keep moving up and the put options are going to fall below this price, and then probably we'll go ahead and see if we have any opportunities on the call options chart. But if there is some sort of slowing down here in the put option price, and if we see some sort of price action, we can buy put option 17,800 in this zone. But we'll have to wait and see some sort of bullishness. We cannot just see a green candle and buy. Some sort of trend line setup, or maybe a falling wedge, something of that sort is formed on the put options chart. And then if it breaks the pattern, that is where we can go ahead and buy this particular put option today. Let's see. So if we see, there is a downward trend line zone. So as you can see, there are two trend lines, and that has already broken now, and we have taken the trade. It will definitely give another entry here. As you can see, we can enter again, and we did enter this trade. And then if we see this, we drew this trend line so that if it breaks the trend line, we can exit even before it hits the target. That trend line is like a trailing stop loss. So if it would have broken it, then we would have exited. Since it didn't, we exited at the target.